Welcome back to Guess It. Welcome to the fridge quiz. Pick A, B, or C, count your points, and discover what kind of fridge you have. How often do you cook at home? What's your go-to breakfast? Which snack would you keep stocked? What drink is always in your fridge? Your fridge is a reflection of. If you had guests over, what would you serve? Your favorite midnight snack? Which condiment can't you live without? Which frozen food would you pick? How do you store leftovers? Which dessert tempts you most? Your fridge is most likely. Favorite type of cheese? How do you feel when your fridge is empty? What's your favorite drink at dinner? Which bread do you usually buy? Your go-to Friday night meal? Which dessert lives in your fridge? How do you shop for groceries? What snack would you bring to work? Your favorite breakfast protein? What fruit is always in your fridge? How do you store drinks? Your quick lunch option? How do you choose vegetables? How do you usually prepare veggies? What's your favorite fridge condiment? What's in your freezer? Which milk do you drink? What snack would you serve a child? What do you drink after exercise? What soup would you store? How often do you clean your fridge? What's your fridge door full of? What's your travel snack? How do you store herbs? Favorite sauce with fries? Favorite salad base? Which veggies are always there? What's your cooking oil? What's your go-to comfort food? How do you buy fish? Favorite sandwich filler? If your fridge had a nickname, it would be which fridge light is on? What do you grab on a hot day? What's your fridge party drink? How do you spice up food? What do you bring to a picnic? Favorite fridge gadget? $50 to $70 points fast food fridge. Snacks, takeout, and guilty pleasures. Your fridge is all about quick bites. 71 to 110 points regular fridge. Balanced and practical, your fridge has a little bit of everything, just like you. 111 to 150 points luxury fridge. You live fancy. Your fridge is full of gourmet food, organic goodies, and sparkling vibes. If you had fun, don't forget to subscribe. More fun challenges coming soon. See you next time.